The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, climate control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, fog lamps, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.